Hello my beautiful people. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be doing the washing machine review, and otherwise it's a Saturday morning, the chilly one, and everybody is awake doing his or her chores, so you will pardon me for the noise that will come with the video, as I'll be recording and explaining when I do the record, so I cannot mute the noises. So if you're the first time joining us here, we give you the most warm welcome, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, my beautiful people, I welcome you all. This is the washing machine that I use. It's a DEFY twin made washing machine. It's is it, I forgot, 15 or 18 kg. Yeah, it's not written anywhere on over it. So this is the machine I'm using, and it's in the garage. Yes, it's in the garage. So I use a hose pipe to pour in water into the machine, and so I've already did that as I'm going to do the washing. And again, this is where I do the spinning. As you can see, it's a bit bigger, this spinning yeah, spinning whatever. English will always go back to England. And this is what I use, the 5 spin timer for spinning when I spin. And here I select washing, and I'm just gonna put it here for wash because I'll be doing the washing, and then I go this side. Oh, if I can put it, it's going to drain the water when I'm doing the draining. And then this is where I select the washing method that I want. So for my dark clothes, I always use the gentle one. For dark clothes, I always use the gentle because they don't really need that hard to wash. And for clothes that are not that dirty, like maybe if I'm washing the white sheets and the towels, I use this normal wash. Actually, my first load on white, I will use this normal. And this heavy is those ones that are dirty. For me, it's those ones that are dirty and heavier, yes, like the jackets and yes. So, and this is the wash timer. It has got the maximum of 15. So I always do the 15 twice when washing. I always do the 15 twice so that it washes my clothes to my satisfaction. So I always do this twice, and otherwise you will see how I'm doing during the washing. And it has got this cable here. You just plug it over the switcher, and this one is a draining pipe. So this draining pipe, I always use a bucket to drain it because the machine is not connected to any drainage. Okay, as usual, I'll start by sorting out the laundry. As you know, I start by sorting it out, dark colors and white colors separately, and also checking on the stains and using my handy cream to remove the stains. So at this stage, we are sorting out the clothes. I'll start by pouring in my vinegar, and I use the sunlight washing powder into the machine, and then I'm going to load the first load, and yes, spin it twice using the normal wash because this load is not much dirty. So now the machine will be doing its work. Okay, as the machine will be doing its work, I'm going to be, this water will be where I'll be rinsing. And just 2 scoops of this Stay Soft is doing well for me. So yes, the first load is done. Then I hope you're following so well. And then I do some hand wash. Yes, I don't just drain the water. So I do some hand wash and put in the second load in the very same water in the machine. So that's why I do some hand wash so that I don't drain the machine, because you will see the draining system. It's tiring. It needs much energy. So that's why we always do make sure that we wash out the first load and take it out, then use the same water for the second load. Enjoy. As I finish up, I pour in more soap for the second load. You see, I'm still using the very same water, and this is the second load that I'm loading, and we'll spin it again and the machine will do its work. Okay, here I'm done with the second load. Yes, I'm just going to be showing how I drain the machine. You see these two buckets? They are the ones I use to drain the water from the machine, as you see on my video. And then the water is used for watering the plants, the flowers, the lawn out there. Yeah, we save water as much as we can. Hey, that's the rural life. Save water as much as we can. So with this water, I'm going to be watering the plants, and that's how I drain my machine water from the machine after every laundry that I do almost every weekend. Okay, now you see the machine needs to be rinsed. Must clear all that the leftovers. So I use clean water to rinse the machine, as you see doing on my video, and then the water will drain again into the bucket. That's how I ensure that the machine is kept clean. And afterwards, I'll just wipe it with a clean cloth and let it dry a little bit before I close the machine. So after this rinsing, I'm sure it's ready for the next use by somebody else. Yeah. So that was the last spinning. So from here we're going to the washing line. We're going to the washing line. And yeah, I didn't video or record while hanging the clothes out there. However, but from here all the clothes were ready for the washing line. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learn a lot from it. Yes, we are a family. We are learning and teaching each other, and I hope you enjoy and got motivated. That's how I spent my laundry doing over some weekends. And thank you so much for tuning in. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like and share the video. Until we meet again next time, watch it to the end. But however, I love you so much. Bye bye.